In this BitExchange support video, we'll show you how to manage various backend tasks and tweak BitExchange to your liking as an admin. Start by going to the demo admin panel at this link and log in with the default credentials that we have provided.
First, let's add a new administrator. Go to Users and Groups, and under the admin group, click Add New. Enter the details and don't forget to check the Is Admin option. Click Save and you have a new admin. Similarly, you can also create a new group of users. You can change your account details by going to My Account, and from here you can also enable two-factor authentication for better security. Note that you'll need the Google Authenticator app to scan the barcode and enable this feature. Next, let's look at the settings. Much of the options here are self-explanatory, like choosing a custom website logo or specifying text prompts, descriptions, and button labels that appear on the main site. Advanced parameters can also be entered, like a regular expression for user passwords or passing language keys with multiple translations. For example, the language key that's referenced here can be customized from the language table, which we will look at shortly. Additional settings can also be found under App Configuration. You can configure some exchange-specific properties. Add third-party APIs like Quandl for financial analytics, Cloudflare for security, and so on. Now let's look at the language table. You'll see a variety of content groups. Each content group has different language items like button labels and text descriptions. You can edit their translation by clicking the pencil icon. Language items can also be found in several other sections. Adding new sections and attributes is also possible, but they won't show up on the main site unless you add the corresponding code in the backend. Remember, an admin panel is just the configuration and management dashboard. Alright, now let's set up automated emails. These email templates allow users to be notified of actions like password reset, withdrawals, deposits, etc. Click on them to view or edit their content. To add new currency support to our built-in wallet feature, go to the Currencies tab. You can get a list of all the transactions made on the exchange, filter them, and look up details of any particular transaction. You can also click on the user IDs to view individual information like available balance, transaction history, bank accounts, etc. A separate user page allows you to view and edit details of all the registered users. Something particularly useful for admins and managers is the daily and monthly reports, which represents the overall exchange stats visually.
So that concludes this support video series. In case you have further questions, tell us and our team will be happy to assist.